Hello, welcome back to another video. Today, me and my family are going to a place called Cyrus Ridge Farm. It was a surprise gift for my sister for her birthday in August. So it's been a month and like 2 weeks. And it is a highland cow farm, which is something my sister's always wanted to go to. So today, me and my family are going to see them. So let's go.
Yipper. Yipper.
You're gonna be featured in the vlog this time.
Emma?
Yeah.
What am I saying? Yipper?
Yep.
All right. Where you dork?
I swear to God, touch it again.
Adam.
Yeah. Yeah, I can get into it. Address to it, or
Yeah,
do you, or what? Okay.
Hello.
The farm. I don't see cows. No, honey. Look at him. Hello, sir. Your mom is here. Don't worry.
All right, here we go.
There is electric fence. It does say that. Do not touch it. Look at him. They're weighing down.
About to all get up. They see us.
Hello. Hi, buddy. Adam.
Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. I got more. Don't worry. I got more.
Oh my goodness.
Don't worry. I got more. You're a fat girl. Yes, you are.
Gosh, look at her snotty neck.
Hello.
Who's got a snotty
You so precious.
I'm gonna give her all to one cow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
You love it. Don't you want one? I want one.
Go back there first.
Is this the one that we were talking about?
Oh, she loves you, RJ.
Oh my God. Summer.
I'm like, what do you say fuck me for?
Oh no.
Oh, that's what
It got me in the face.
them eyes are.
She ain't gonna leave.
Is this
Oh, look at this one.
You're pretty. I'm pretty girl. You want a treat? Hi, little baby things. Here you go.
That's a big mama right there.
Oh, Adam. Here, here's another nugget, Adam. Oh, it feels like sandpaper.
There you go. Get you some, Kendall.
Oh, here comes another one. Baby, here comes another one.
You sit on this side.
I got it.
I got it.
Oh, she coming.
Oh, she. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's going for more.
Sorry, Dad.
Oh, you dropped it.
Daniel's trying to beat him right in front of you there, right there.
Adam, give her
Hey,
your.
look over there. Look over there.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Adam, look. Adam, look at him. You're running.
There you go. Left hand on. Left hand.
I'm getting a weird smell from
Damn.
This is cute. I know it.
Hey, you got any rid of it?
Oh look, here comes one Peyton.
They're just living their best life. Oh, look at the one back there. Hi, baby.
Oh, the white one's coming.
You don't want my food.
He wants Sailor's treat.
Hi, butterscotch. You're so pretty. Hello. Look at the baby. Oh, they don't eat. Hug's running. Oh, calm down.
Why didn't you go?
Go have fun.
Oh my goodness.
The chocolate one's Ferdinand.
Ferdinand.
So I noticed a lot of our pets. They're all letters of the alphabet.
The letters and this.
Hi. Oh, he likes my camera. Ready?
Yeah, I'll try one.
Take a scoop of them. What is that?
I just want a couple of those peppers.
Give them the ones off top.
That's what I'm trying to do. It's
I don't want a lot.
Take a
oh,
chunk.
That's good. Yeah, I want one of these peppers.
I couldn't get it.
Thank you.
That's a little bit.
How can you not get occasionally. This is not a. Why are you videoing me while I'm trying to eat?
Yeah, Vaughn's gonna be featured in the vlog.
I can't wait to see this vlog.
You're invading my privacy. Did I give you permission to video me?
Both you guys.
Whole pizza to yourself?
I thought it was like a little bit funny.
You smell like cows? Oh no.